In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Favicon in Webflow. Quick tutorial. A favicon is the small icon you see in your browser tab and bookmarks. It helps people recognize your site instantly and keeps your brand consistent across devices. Let's set it up in Webflow from start to finish. Begin by opening Webflow and heading into your workspace. From there, go to your dashboard so you can access your site's settings. Open the project you want to update, then enter its settings. Inside the settings, look for the section labeled Icons. This is where Webflow lets you manage the images that appear as your favicon in different color themes. First, set the favicon for the light theme. Click the favicon slot for the light theme to focus it, then click again to activate the file picker. Choose Upload, and select your favicon file from your computer. For best results, use a square image with a transparent background, ideally a PNG. A size of 32 by 32 pixels is the classic standard, but providing a larger square like 256 by 256 or 512 by 512 ensures it scales cleanly across devices. Keep the design simple, with strong contrast and minimal detail, because favicons display very small. Next, repeat the process for the dark theme. Click the favicon area for the dark theme to select it. Click again to open the uploader. Then choose Upload and pick a version of your icon that works on dark backgrounds. If your brand mark is dark, consider a lighter or inverted version so it stays visible in dark mode. Consistency matters, but readability matters more. Make sure the icon stays crisp and recognizable at small sizes. A couple of quick tips while you're here. If your favicon looks blurry, export it exactly square and avoid thin strokes or tiny text. If it appears cut off, add some padding around the icon inside the canvas before exporting. And if you only have one version right now, start with the light theme. You can come back and add the dark theme variant later. After uploading to both light and dark themes, your favicon settings are in place. Web browsers can cache favicons, so if you don't see the change immediately, refresh the page, try a private window, or clear your cache. When you next visit your site, you should see your new icon in the tab, and it will display appropriately in both light and dark environments. That's it. Your favicon is now added in Webflow and ready to represent your brand everywhere your site appears.